Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna take a look at the 6th gen iPad mini. So without further ado, let's roll the video. Okay, so right now we have is the brand new 6th generation iPad mini. And for those of you who are wondering which one is this, for you let me tell you that it's the 2021 iPad mini that was recently showed during the September event. So before we dive straight into unboxing and taking a look at it, let's first take a look at the box. And I must say that the art on the box that says mini in cursives is pretty amazing. Taking off the box, you will see the iPad mini sitting right there wrapped in plastic. Actually, it isn't plastic, but it's a sort of paperish material. And just in case if you're wondering which one did I pick, well, the mystery is out as I picked this small boy up in purple shade. That basically is not only a new color, but also a quite striking one. But of course, you can even choose from the other color options that are pink, starlight and grey. The one you're seeing right now on your screen is the 64GB Wi-Fi variant of the iPad mini. And along with the iPad, in the box you get is a 20-watt charging adapter and the most awaited USB-C cable. That means just like the iPad Pro, now even the iPad mini can be charged using the USB-C cable. So getting back to the iPad mini, this one really looks and feels different. Going with the specs and numbers, the 6th gen iPad has a 8.3-inch liquid retina display, weighs not more than 300 grams, which means it's super slim and super light. Plus, it's also made up of 100% recycled aluminium. Now, the biggest witnessable change that we have is actually in the front. So if you notice, now the iPad mini comes with a much larger screen, thin bezels and liquid retina display. So overall, it's just perfect. And one thing to note is that with the iPad mini, the Touch ID has moved all the way to the top. That is no doubt convenient enough to unlock, but also is absolutely easy to set up and is responsive. Along with the Touch ID, even the volume buttons have been placed on the top. Here's a fun fact about the iPad mini. Whichever way you hold the iPad, either horizontally or vertically, the volume buttons and even the Touch ID will be always facing the top. Next up, we did get an upgrade in terms of camera. The iPad mini comes with a 12MP ultra-wide front-facing camera, and this does support center stage, which indeed is a really cool feature. The rear-facing camera has been also improved too, as we have got a 12MP camera with an aperture of f1.8 that's able to record videos in 4K 60fps. So to conclude all this thing up, the reason why I am in love with this little guy is because along with being extremely light in weight and small in size, it even supports Apple Pencil that even ticks the box of it being used as a note-taking device. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.